In this video, we will learn about the project directory structure of our Eclipse IDE. So if you remember, we created a project department application with the package com.tutorials point. In that, we created 3 files. The first one is details.java, which is a Java file. The second is an interface. You can see the I sign here, which is human resource.java. The third was an XML file, which was data.xml. Here you can see the JRE system library, which consists of the jar files. So this was the project directory structure in our package explorer. So now we will see the project directory structure under our folder, that is project directory. So let's go for it. Here you can see, you can easily access your files at the workspace location, which we have discussed before, which is C user tutorials point workspace. Here are all the projects we created till now. This is the department application. So let's see what is inside in it. Click it. Here you can see some folders are visible. The first one is settings. Here you can see the project preference settings. Click on it. Here you can see the preference settings are visible. You can change it. Let's go to the second one. Bin generally consists of your files. If you will run your project, the .class files will get created here. The last one is source. Here you can see we created a package com.tutorials point. And here are the files which we created, the 3 files. The first is an XML, the second is a Java file, and the third one is an interface file. Now you can see the last one is .class part and .project file. These are the files which are generally created by the IDE for storing the metadata. These are generally XML files. You don't need to touch it if you are not having a proper knowledge about the files. So in this video we learn about the project directory structure under the IDE, which is through package explorer. We also saw the project directory structure under our directory. Thank you for watching.